A lot of people may think that Forex trading is the solution to all of their problems.
Sorry to this man.
However, not many people take into consideration the time, the stress, and the sacrifice that it takes to become a full-time Forex trader. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 crucial reasons why Forex trading might not be for you. So, if you would like to know if this is a career path that you would like to pursue, then keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Candace, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers, and welcome to my new ones. So there are many reasons why Forex trading might not be for the average person. However, I decided to narrow it down to 3 reasons in order just to make it a bit easier for someone to figure out if this is the right thing that they would like to pursue. Reason number 1, it takes money to make money. Although there are many free resources that you can find online that can help you to learn Forex, in my opinion, investing in a legitimate mentor will increase your chances significantly of becoming a consistent trader as long as you put in the work. Trading courses can range in price, so that is a subjective factor. A key thing to do is to research the trading course. And also, find individuals who have already taken that trading course as well and speak with them in order to see if this trading course will fit your temperament, your goals, and your personality. The main thing is that you definitely want to reduce the chances of you wasting your money on some fly-by-night course that just came up out of nowhere on social media that is trying to say that they can make you rich overnight. Please, and I say please, avoid those courses. Another thing to keep in mind is that once you are ready to fund your first live account, that you will have to have an amount that you are comfortable with depositing and that you're comfortable with losing. And I know that kind of sounds crazy, but you have to take into consideration that there'll be a lot of trial and error and that you may make mistakes in the live market that you could not have prepared for as much as actually just going through it. So just keep that in mind, that whatever you deposit, be willing to risk it and to lose it and to consider it gone. Not to say that you should be gambling or be using this as just a practice type of investment. If you have prepared enough to go live and you feel like you are mentally ready and you have your trading plan in place and follow risk management, then you should be completely fine. The goal is to live to trade another day. Reason number 2 is that Forex takes major sacrifice. In any business that you are starting up where you are going to be self-employed, it is a given fact that you are going to have to sacrifice a lot of your regular routine in order to adjust to your newfound venture. You have to be willing to sacrifice things such as hanging out with friends and family because of the fact that trading is 90% studying and 10% actually executing. You will be studying more than you can imagine, and it takes a lot of time because what you are essentially doing through your studying is unlearning a lot of bad habits and things that you were taught in life that will not help you to trade, and relearn skills that you need to trade and that you need to have in order to be a successful trader. Now, this might be very difficult for a lot of people who are social and who enjoy these types of things, but if you understand that your end goal is to become a successful Forex trader and that it will be worth it, then sacrificing for the short term will reap many benefits in the long term for you. What sacrificing will do as well is it will build your character, and it will help you once you are a full-time Forex trader to help you just zone in and focus 100% on trading during the times that you are supposed to trade based on your trading plan, and it'll help cut distractions and allow you to know how to focus and zone in on trading during the times that you have mapped out for yourself to trade. And let me reiterate, how much importance studying is when it comes to Forex trading. And that includes backtesting, it includes forecasting, it includes learning about your psychology, it includes learning about yourself and your bad habits and erasing that. It includes reading many books and just learning as much as you can. The one thing about trading is that you will never stop learning, so the more knowledge you have, the easier it'll be for you. Reason number 3. There are going to be many negative people who don't believe in what you're doing. Now, this might be the hardest of the 3 reasons because it is very hard to avoid negative people, especially when you are close to these people and you don't realize that they're negative until you actually bring something up that they don't agree with. This will take the most mental strength in order to overcome. And it may be unfortunate that these negative people might be in your close circle. Could be friends, could be family, could be your significant other. But the main thing to understand is that you have to focus on yourself and what you believe in and to cast those negative energies out of your life. And in no way, shape, or form am I saying that you have to cut off these people and never speak to them again. I'm just saying it might be better to step back and focus on you more than focusing on what they think, because it is not their life and you simply can't take advice from people who aren't where you want to be. So the bottom line of this video is that Forex trading might not be for you, but that's okay. If you are interested in Forex trading, my biggest advice would be just to go all in and try your hardest. You cannot be half in and half out with this business, because you'll realize that success is very, very hard to obtain unless you are fully into this. If you treat Forex like a hobby, it'll pay you like a hobby. If you treat Forex like a business, it'll pay you like a business. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your research about if Forex is for you. And if you decide that it is for you because that is your personal decision, then do not let people get in the way. Trust me, I know from a personal standpoint that, people will judge you. And the thing is, it has nothing to do with you. That is all them. So don't worry about it and take it full throttle and pursue Forex and just do it the right way. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you like this type of content, give it a thumbs up so I know that I should be putting out more content like this. Also, if you have any suggestions for videos, especially about Forex, please leave those in the comment section below. I will definitely go through them. And this is just really for the new Forex traders out there. I want to definitely share more knowledge as much as I can. So please give me feedback. Let me know what I can improve on and let me know what you need to know, what questions you have. I will definitely answer them. Thank you guys again so much for watching my videos. Feel free to subscribe and feel free to follow me on social media. I'll be back with another video very soon.